Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit photos on Canva in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned graphic designer or just starting out, Canva offers a user-friendly platform to create stunning visuals with ease. Now, let's dive right into how you can personalize and enhance your images to make them really stand out. First, you'll want to select the image that you have already uploaded to Canva. Once you're in Canva, make sure you're logged into your account. Head over to your uploads or any design where your image is located. Look for the specific image you wish to work on and simply click on it. Don't worry if it's your first time navigating through Canva. The interface is designed to be intuitive, making it easy for everyone. Once you have selected your image, it's time to really get into editing. Simply click on the image you've selected. This will activate it and bring up a wide range of options and tools on the top of your screen to start the editing process. If you're not familiar with these tools, take a moment to hover over them and see what each does. This will give you a good sense of what's possible. With your image activated, you'll notice an edit button on the toolbar. Click on this and watch as a dazzling array of editing tools unfolds. This includes options from cropping to straightening and other exciting features that allow you to adjust the image according to your creative vision. One handy tip is to ensure that you keep the original aspect ratio if you're cropping, unless you're trying to seize a particular composition or detail in your photo. Next, we move on to enhancing the look and feel of your photo by using filters. Click on the Filters tab that appears once you've clicked on Edit. Canva provides a plethora of filter options with different moods and tones to transform your image in a single tap. This is perfect if you're short on time or looking for a quick fix to elevate your image. Experiment with different filters to find the one that complements your photo best. In addition to filters, Canva also offers various effects to add more drama and flair to your image. Click on the Effects button, brilliantly located alongside the filters. Here, you can explore an exciting range of effects like shadows, glows, or even text-assisted overlays that can drastically change the vibe of your photograph. Don't be afraid to play around with these effects. Often, it's the unexpected combinations that end up creating the most impactful images. Now, with these tools at your disposal, go ahead and unleash your creativity. Remember, practice makes perfect, so continue experimenting until you're satisfied with your masterpiece. Thanks for joining me today in this journey through Canva's photo editing tools. Happy designing and see you in the next video.